Hi everybody, welcome to another update on the stock screener. Today we're going to talk about an old favorite of mine, Santacruz silver, which is breaking out of this very large cup formation. And I think this is about to blow much higher. So I bought some of it back because apparently silver is breaking out as well. And you can see that this is also a bottoming pattern, so something is afoot here. So we need to get back in. Zinc has not done that well, but this could maybe be a bottom. So we have down, up, down, and probably we will see an up move soon. Copper has been doing very well. It's also bottoming out. Now, let's talk a bit about silver. There were positive things and negative things about silver, but let's talk about the most important metric, and that's India silver demand. So let me increase the size of this for you. This is India silver imports, the yellow charts. As you can see here, the latest data show us that we have about 1,800 tons per month. If you annualize that, that's about maybe 20,000 tons of demand. This is going into India and it's not being exported out. So this is pure silver demand, 20,000 metric tons of silver demand per year. Now, if you search up what the current mine supply is, that's around 30,000 tons per year. So these Indians are buying up all the silver that's being produced in the world. So I don't know if this is going to continue, but this looks very bullish to me. On the zinc side, we need to look at the inventories. And here you can see that the inventories are at an all-time low. So I think that the zinc price will bottom out at some point, because otherwise there won't be any zinc left. So these Chinese will need to pay more for that zinc. Now on to Santacruz silver. So the market cap fully diluted is right now at 170 million, and this is all in US dollars. These are the prices of silver, zinc, lead, copper. So I use all the live prices. AISC was 19.6 in the last quarter. And now we are going to go into earnings season for the third quarter. And I think that the earnings will be very good because, first of all, the production has gone up from 4 million ounces of silver equivalent to almost 5 million. So production increased. And when production increases, that also means the costs per ton will go down. If you are using the same mill and using the same people, then costs should go down. So I expect that this AISC here, 19.6, will go down. Because I don't think that the fuel price was going up in the third quarter. Next, the tonnage has also gone up. So they are putting more through the mills. That's a good sign because they are using the capacity better. And last but not least, the grades are not declining. So the grades are very stable, which is a very good sign. So I expect this to improve the AISC. Now, how much? So from Q2 to Q3, it went up by 20%. So let's say you have costs of 19.5, one production. So you have an AISC of 19.5 divided by 1. So that's the AIC. Now, if production goes to 1.2 and your cost is the same, then you get an AIC of this divided by this is 16.25. So let's say I'll make it 1.1. Then we should see it around 18 AIC, right? To be conservative. So let's use 18. Look at what happened. It went from here to here, almost a double, just by using the AIC of 18. So this is the first thing that will happen. Costs will go down. And this is the valuation. I used the production numbers. So the amount of production and also the prices of the different commodities with a 5 multiple. I always use 5 multiple. And 80% ownership because they don't own all the mines. So that gives me a valuation of 550 million. So easy double. Now let's play with the numbers. Let's say it goes back to 25 silver, which is very doable because of the high premiums that we have now. I expect silver to go back to 25. So you can see that the chart goes up even more, up to the 700 million level. And let's say that zinc goes back to 1.5. Could even go back to 1.6 because we have a zinc deficit. Inventories are very low. So 1.5 or 1.6, you can see how it rises. 1.6 and 25 silver, this is almost a $1 billion company. From 170 market cap to 1 billion. So easy triple, quadruple if we see higher zinc and silver prices. Just to illustrate why this is so high, this leverage, look at this. Silver production is 20 million silver equivalent. Compare this to First Majestic Silver, which has 30 million silver production. So, and what is the market cap of First Majestic? It's 2.5 billion. So just compare the market cap and the production of these two companies. Santacruz Silver is completely undervalued. So that's why I bought it, and you can see it here. This tiny green thing is Santacruz Silver. I should have bought more, but okay. I think the other companies are also good, so I'm starting just a speculative position. Our portfolio has beaten the S&P by 20%, so that's very good in only 2 months. And let's continue this outperformance. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.